Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Snostrip is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions available today for anyone struggling with snoring, offering a drug-free and non-invasive approach to achieving a quieter and more restful night's sleep for both the user and their partner. This unique device is designed to gently open nasal passages, allowing for smoother airflow and significantly reducing the vibrations that cause snoring, making it a game-changer for those seeking natural relief from this common sleep disruptor. Number 5. Govee Smart RGB LED Strip Lights. Tired of fumbling for switches? Now you can control your lights with just your voice. Easily turn them on or off, change colors, and adjust brightness using simple commands. Unlock a world of possibilities with our intuitive app. Customize your lighting experience with DIY modes, set schedules with the timer function, and enjoy advanced control right at your fingertips. Transform your space into a dynamic visual experience. Watch as these lights sync perfectly with your favorite music, creating an immersive atmosphere for any occasion. Experience vibrant and consistent lighting throughout your room. With 150 LED beads, these lights provide ample brightness to enhance any space, from bedrooms to gaming areas. Setting up your new lighting is a breeze. Our kit includes everything you need for a quick and secure installation, ensuring your lights stay perfectly in place. For the best adhesion, ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying. Removing dust and debris will guarantee a strong and lasting hold for your new lights. What we like? Experience effortless control with hands-free voice commands. If you love smart home integration and want to set the mood with music, this is the perfect choice for your bedroom or gaming room. What people say. The Snostrip is a great product that helps you breathe better. It is comfortable to wear and does not irritate your skin. The Snostrip is easy to use and effective in reducing snoring. Number 4. DAYBETTER 100-foot Smart LED Strip Lights. Take full control of your ambience with our smart LED strip lights. Easily adjust colors and modes using the app or the included remote for any room. With two 50-foot rolls, these ultra-long lights provide ample coverage for your entire space. Installation is simple, perfect for parties or everyday decoration. Experience vibrant light shows that sync with your favorite music. Let the colors dance to the beat and elevate your party atmosphere. Set schedules for your lights to turn on or off and change colors automatically. Enjoy a smarter, more convenient way to illuminate your home. Featuring advanced 5050 LEDs, these lights offer a richer, brighter color experience. They are designed for durability, ensuring long-lasting vibrant illumination. Need a specific length? These lights are flexible and can be cut to fit your needs. Simply follow the marked lines for easy customization. What we like? Light up your entire space with an impressive 100 feet of coverage. If you're looking to decorate a large area like your living room or host vibrant parties, these offer great value and flexibility. What people say. The Snostrip is a great product that has helped me breathe better at night. I love how easy it is to use the Snostrip. Just peel and stick. The Snostrip is comfortable to wear and doesn't irritate my skin. Number 3. Breathe Right Extra Strength Clear Nasal Strips. Instantly relieve nasal congestion and breathe better. These strips open your nasal passages, increasing airflow for easier breathing. Struggling with snoring due to congestion? These strips widen your nostrils, allowing you to take in air more easily and sleep better. Experience maximum relief with our extra strength formula. Its stronger spring bands open your nose even more, significantly improving nasal airflow. Designed for sensitive skin, these hypoallergenic strips are made with high-quality materials. They stay comfortably in place, no matter what you're doing. These clear strips are nearly invisible and perfect for any situation. Wear them at work, during workouts, or whenever you need to breathe easier. What we like? Breathe easier instantly with drug-free nasal congestion relief. If you suffer from colds, allergies, or snoring and want a simple, effective solution for better sleep, these are designed for you. What people say. It is a great product and works well. I love the design of this product. The features of this product are amazing. Number 2. RigStrips Magnetic Ski and Snowboard Holder. Introducing the original protective magnetic holder for your skis and snowboards. It's designed to keep your gear and vehicle safe. After selling out 5 times, it's back and better than ever with an all-new design. Get yours before it's gone again. This holder provides superior protection against accidental falls and damage to your skis and snowboards. It also guards your vehicle from scratches and costly paint repairs. Engineered in the Rocky Mountains, it's built for maximum durability in all weather conditions. The strong magnets ensure it stays on, even at highway speeds. It's the perfect solution for resting skis, snowboards, and poles against your car. Plus, it's great for fishing rods, hiking poles, and other accessories when you're not on the slopes. Featuring industry-first, military-grade magnets, it can be installed and removed from your vehicle in just seconds. Enjoy convenience and protection wherever you go. What we like? Protect your vehicle's paint and gear with a revolutionary magnetic holder. If you frequently transport skis or snowboards and want a quick, secure, and paint-safe solution, this is the original and best option. What people say. The Snostrip is a great product for keeping your nose clear and breathing easier. It is comfortable to wear and stays in place all night. The Snostrip is made of soft, flexible material that is gentle on the skin. Number 1. Arksen Folding Hitch-Mounted Ski Snowboard Rack. Crafted from robust steel with a protective black powder e-coating, this rack is built to last and resist rust. It can handle a substantial load of up to 99 pounds, ensuring your gear is securely transported. Enjoy a smooth ride with our anti-rattle hitch mechanism. It securely connects to your vehicle's hitch receiver, minimizing movement and ensuring stability on the road. The easy-to-use knob and enlarged handle make installation and removal a breeze, even with gloves on. Travel with peace of mind thanks to the dual anti-theft locking system. With a waterproof all-in-one lock and included keys, your gear is protected from theft, allowing you to stop for breaks without worry. This versatile rack offers ample space for your winter adventures. It can carry up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards, or even a mix of both. It's also perfect for transporting fishing rods, paddles, and other gear. Customize the fit for your specific equipment with the adjustable frame. The holding plates can be mounted at different heights to accommodate various lengths of skis and snowboards. Additional straps are included for enhanced stability. Accessing your vehicle's trunk or cargo area is easy with the tilt feature. Simply tilt the rack down to gain convenient access to your gear without having to remove the entire rack. What we like? Carry all your winter gear with ease and security. If you need to transport multiple pairs of skis or snowboards and want a sturdy, lockable rack that fits most vehicles, this is an ideal solution for family trips. What people say. The Snostrip is a game-changer for allergy sufferers, providing instant relief from nasal congestion. Its innovative design allows for comfortable and discreet wear, making it perfect for use anytime, anywhere. The Snostrip's unique technology targets the root cause of nasal inflammation, offering long-lasting results without the need for medication. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.